Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks. What are your plans for today?
Today, I need to do some grocery shopping. My fridge is almost empty.
Oh, I need to do that too. What do you need to buy?
I need to get some vegetables, fruits, and bread. How about you?
I need to buy milk, eggs, and some snacks for the kids.
That sounds good. Are you going to cook something special today?
Yes, I'm planning to make spaghetti for dinner. Do you like spaghetti?
I love spaghetti. Do you make your own sauce?
Sometimes, but today I'm going to use a store-bought sauce because it's quicker.
That makes sense. Do you have any other plans for the day?
After grocery shopping, I need to clean the house and do some laundry. What about you?
I have some work to do from home, and then I might go for a walk in the evening.
A walk sounds nice. It's good to get some fresh air.
Yes, it's a good way to relax. Do you usually go for walks?
Sometimes, but I prefer to exercise at home. I like doing yoga.
Yoga is great for relaxing and staying fit. I should try it more often.
You should. It's really beneficial. Well, I should get going to the store now.
Me too. It was nice talking with you.
Yes, it was. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.